Hi guys, my name is Peter and welcome to our channel. Today I was gonna show you some progress, how far I got on my project Go-Trike. I mean, some people probably gonna call it Go-Kart, but probably the right name for that it's gonna be a Go-Trike. Even myself I call sometimes Go-Kart. Anyway, the frame looks like it's probably 75% or so almost ready. So far I got done a steering column, and this time I kinda use make it a slightly different design. Well, that's a steering column from kid's push scooter, but and the way I adapt it to the frame, it's kinda different compared to my previous style. Then also I put welded steering limiters. Almost same way like my previous all Go-Trikes I did. That case I can adjust how far it can turn to make sure I'm not gonna flip it, this cart. Then the upper portion of frame it's done. It's not welded yet, but I just leave it, and I mean for now like that. And the column will be tiltable, and also it can you can push it forward, or you can push it in or out. It depends on who's gonna ride it. For like a kid, you can unlock it and extend it. If it's adult, you can push it forward. Then also I added a few more things on the rear suspension, like this pipe. I mean, it's a half-inch pipe. I bend it, and well, it's first of all it's gonna be additional support, plus the flag. I mean, a bracket I did, and of course, what kind kart without Mario Kart 8? My daughter, she really loved that flag, and this kart is gonna be for her. Yeah, I mean, we're gonna see how well it's gonna turn. I hope it's gonna be suitable for her application. She's not gonna make any world record for speed or acceleration. If it's gonna go around 20 miles, I will be happy. Plus, in this project, I kinda try to achieve it to build it a go-kart, Go-Trike under $200. I don't want to go farther than that. That's why probably I'm going this way. Well, this can be a short video. I hope you guys do enjoy it. If you do, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will really appreciate it. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.